When they open you market, everybody got them own story. Live your life, my youth. Circumstances differ. Don't compare your journey. You don't know what backing them have ways here. Yeah, man. Zim Dancehall thing, real talk. CK.
Ita Yako, do your own thing. Ita Yako, stay in your lane. Live your life, shine your light.
Yo, yeah, go.
Ita Yako,
Why butter?
why bother?
Do your thing. Stay strong. Man, I do degree, cause Uncle Big Boss in a company. You stop an interview. Girl, them sign big contracts, strong links and heavy contacts. For you it offer reality check. Man inherit farmland, cattle big like promised land. You start from zero, no shame. She fly overseas quick, family link like it slick. You also local, that's legit. Relax on your lane, different path, different story. Your blessing can't delay forever. Facts, true story, no pressure. DK.
Don't follow another man blueprint. Comparison mash up confidence. Take your own direction.
Why butter? Hear me now. Stay in your lane, own your space. Different timing, different grace. Pull up, run it again, run it again. Man drive Benz, cause him close one big ends. Don't pressure yourself if pretend. Girl them flex on Instagram, filter life fake program. That not the real situation. Spotlight bright pan them, but purpose deep in you. Build slow foundation strong. Different timing, different grace, different dose, different pace. Your journey unique, elevate, elevate. Level up, Zim thing.
Mumwe on a season yake. Everybody shining on them timing. Mumwe on a blessing rocky. Your day coming, don't rush it. Trust the process, just do. Ita Yako, do your own thing. Ita Yako, stay in your lane.
No copy lifestyle, no shame.
Yo, why Ita Yako?
Why butter?
Why is he up?
No copy man style fi survive. Own grind keep dream alive. Pressure kill but focus revive. That Ita Yako, that's the vibe. Them laugh today, clap tomorrow. Every hustler know the sorrow.